What up, people? It's your boy Manny Salgado. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're in Phoenix. It's about 3:30 in the morning. We're at Charlie's Taco Truck, which is right outside of my man's club. It's a little different club, but hey, you know what? Different strokes for different folks. However, I'm out here trying some tacos from the truck in the patio. And my girl Becca's right there, right where my thumb is. We're gonna go try these tacos, see how they go, and we got some mini quesadillas coming right up. So follow me. Ándale, güey, tú nomás sonríe. Saludos a la raza. ¿A dónde? ¿De dónde son? Phoenix. ¿Todos? More tacos! Can you open that up? Can you open that up real quick? Oh, look at that. It's cheesy. That's the slow motion. Bomb chicka bow wow. Bomb chicka wow wow. That's food porn right there. Alright, I want to see you try it. You're on camera. They say it's not sexy to eat on TV, but you know what? It's sexy to eat tacos. Let's do this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, yeah. Spicy? No, just perfect? Let's get it, people. Yum. Where did they go, Becca? What do you think about the cabbage in the taco?
Good. It's different. It's good.
It's pretty good, huh? Tacos, Charlie's Tacos, Phoenix, Arizona on Camelback. Come get you some. Look at this little thing, man. I think I could do that in one whole bite, but I can't. Should I? You know, 2 bites is good. Let's do this. You need like 6 of them to get full. But for $1.50, that's not bad. You can afford 6 of them. So easy to make too. Well, if you're ever in Phoenix, you need to check out Charlie's Food Truck on Camelback. It's open till 4 a.m. on weekend. Get here. By the way, get here early because it'd be rowdy. The lines be long. And the club be juking. Come check it out. Until next time, people. Love, peace, and... Becca, did you find the love, peace, and taco grease?
I found it.
You found it? Look at that.
I found it. Look at that.
Oh, the taco grease.
Yeah.
That's taco grease. Oh, look.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is love, peace, and taco grease all right there.
All right there. How we doing, Becca? We're good.
What did you think of the tacos?
Food was fantastic.
It was amazing.
Amazing.
The food truck is fire. The customer service is great.
Yep.
And the people watching is hilarious.
It is so hilarious.
It is fun. Not to say that we're making fun of anybody or anything like that. All love and, you know, do your thing. But man, these people know how to party. These people know how to drink. It is late and we got shit to do tomorrow, so we're gonna leave you guys with that. Oh, and by the way, if you come down here, Charlie's Taco Truck on Camelback, you have to try the mini quesadillas.
Yes.
The mini quesadillas is where it's at. Love, peace, and taco grease all up in them. Down her.
All up,
Down.
yes.
Make sure you come on out, people. I'm gonna leave you guys. Oh, by the way, Pheonix, man. Who knew? Who
I
knew?
would definitely come back.
Right?
Definitely. But whenever I come back, it's always going to be the first of the month.
Yes. The first of the month. You got to be down here for First Fridays, man. It was dope downtown. And now we're making it back to Scottsdale because, you got to stay in Scottsdale when you in the AZ. But I'll leave you guys with that, man. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.
Taco grease.
So, it's about midnight. We're at Charlie's Taco Truck again.
Again.
And these fuckers make fun of me for always trying to get them to eat, but look. They're eating. And they love it.
Look. Then you see, like why?
Charlie's Tacos on Camelback. Just watch your back while you're here.
This is how you get rid of pickups.
Okay.
Nobody knows. This is
Okay.
like a miracle cure, right?
Okay.
What you do? You drink from the opposite side. right?
Okay.
You drink your water upside down.
It's the dumbest shit.
The trick is you have to stay down here and swallow it.